Hello and welcome to Vibe Design. I'm Royi Benyossef and I'll take you on my journey to learn the new tools of vibe coding and vibe design and to build a website for my fictitious VC fund. It's going to be fun, I promise. I'm also trying a new format. I'll be playing around with various tools at the same time, and whenever I find something that I think is cool, I'm going to make a short video and upload it here, organized by playlist. This segment is part of the Anima series. Unlike normal vibe coding, where you prompt in an idea and you get a working but generic UI, Anima actually translates Figma design into a working website where you can use vibe coding later. To get things started, we choose a Figma design, any design. We choose the part of it that we want to import. We control copy and control paste in dev.animaapp.com and we import it, and it writes the code with the Figma design. Because it takes a bit too long, I did it for you, and here you go. Let's start with something cool. You see these logos here? I want them to move like a carousel, like most VCs have for their portfolio. So in the text, I write where the logos are for Google, Amazon, etc. Make it a moving carousel and go. See a bunch of stuff. Certainly, I'll modify the client logos section, and it generates a bunch of code and using CSS and a bunch of other stuff that I'm not familiar with. Look at that. It's moving. Fun. I hope this was an interesting first episode for you. We imported a website and we made a first change. Next time, we're going to try and go deeper.